So hi guys, again we are back to our Python placement program. So this time I have brought you the bubble sort for you guys. So this is a bubble sort. Even sorting can be done in the easiest way in the Python by using the methods of sort also in the list also there. But you should know how to do bubble sort also. There are a lot of ways of sortings are there. One of the famous way of sorting is bubble sort. So you should know that also bubble sort. So this time I am just teaching you how to do the bubble sort. So our bubble sort means is nothing but normal sorting. So you can see here I had bought a list here, and this list after sorting I should get like this. This is my bubble sort how I have to get it. So now let's do how to do the bubble sort. So what I'm planning to do is like we can go ahead directly to IDLE and we will type over there instead of putting on the notepad. So I will take the IDLE here. Okay, so I will use 3.12 this time. And I'm going to create a file over there. So my IDLE got opened over here. Now I'm going to create a new file here. So in that file, I'm going to type it right now. Okay, so let's do this. So we are going to do the program over here right now in this IDLE. Okay. So now my thing is I'm going to create, what is that I am going to create is program, Python program for Python program for bubble sort. Okay, so that is what we are going to do here right now here, bubble sort. So this is what I'm going to do now, and I put it in the comment section now. So I wanted what I wanted. Now I will give what is that sorted I need to do is I will do that sorted for what I need to sort. I'll hard code over there. So my unsorted list is like this I need to do, and unsorted list, and this is my unsorted list which I am passing it 39, 12 and 18 and 85 and 72, 10 to 80. So this is my unsorted list, and then I have to get it sorted. Sorted list I have to get as 2, 10, 12, 18, 18, 39, 72, 85. This is my sorted list I should get, right? So all this has to be sorted and get it. So this is what you have to get the result here, right? You can see here 2, 10, 12, 82 times 39, and then comes 72 and 85. This is what I need to get. So now let's start doing the program. So I'm going to do it in the function right now. Okay, so I will start the program as an list ARR. Okay, so this is what the list I'm going to pass it now. This is the list I'm passing. Okay, so in the list, first I will print it, the unsorted array. Unsorted list I will print it now. So I'm printing it. Okay, so I'm printing. Now I will print that list also. That list is ARR. So very simple way I'm doing. Yeah. Now I will do, if I'll call a function called bubble sort. Bubble sort. And the bubble sort, I'm passing my ARR. Okay, so that will do and get me the sorted list. After getting the sorted list, I'll print the sorted array. After getting the sorted, I will print the sorted. So this time they will sort and get me the sorted one, sorted list. So this time the array becomes sorted and I'm printing that. So this bubble sort will do the sorting. So let's go and write the bubble sort, okay, right? So how to write a function? You have to use the def. And then my function name is bubble sort, right? Use a bubble sort. Use a bubble sort. Now here you need your bubble sort you use, right? So you have to put the indentation. Okay, now we are going to write it inside. We are going to write here. Now first thing we have to put the loop, right? So loop. First thing we have to put the loop. So when you put the loop, you have to be very careful. You have to see that what I am doing over here. For n, I use range because I don't know the list how many elements are there. So I use range length of ARR. So length will get me the length how many are there. So normally every time when you have elements, 10 elements, it actually start from 0, so it will become 9, right? So if you are 10, we have to stand till up to 9 only, right? So that is why I used to say length ARR of -1. So means if your elements are 10, you should stand from 9, right? Because we are starting from 0. 0 is the index, right? 0 to 9 means 10 elements. If you say 0 to 10 means it will become 11 elements, right? So we should not. So that is why I'm using -1. Okay, -1. Then next one is I'm using that. This loop has to rotate till the 0 index. Then I'm starting from -9, right? I'm starting from 9. 9. So 9, 8, 7, like that it has to decrement and go. So to go decrement, I should use -1. I should use range series. Like this I have to use. So it will go decrement and go. Until it reach. So stopping point is 0. Decrementation is minus. So starting from the, what are the length? -1 will start and still 0 it will reach. So I had do that. I did that. Then I am creating a variable called swapped. In that right now I make it as a false here. Then again I go for another loop. That is, I use this time I in range of n. I'm bringing n, right? So range of n. So n will have that range is there. So I'm bringing that. So inside that, what I'm going to do is I'm just checking the condition. If ARR of I, if ARR of I, that is whatever I'm bringing that, is greater than ARR of I plus 1. So one step up, it will go one step up. So what is ARR of I? Index, that is I is the index. So if you are bringing with a 9, like, you are bringing with the, here you are bringing with the value, right? So a range of n. So that is, you are bringing n means 9 elements you have to go, right? So 9. So ARR of I. So I means you are starting from 0. ARR of 0 to ARR of 0 plus 1, that is 1. So you are seeing with both the index values. So if it is greater, what you have to do? If it is greater, what you have to do? You have to put a colon here, then it will come here. If it is greater, you need to swap. So when you are swapping, you are using Python style, okay? So ARR of I, comma, ARR of I plus 1 is equal to ARR of I plus 1. Here again you have to say I plus 1. And then you have to say ARR of here you have to say I. That's it. So this is Python style. This is nothing but Here ARR of I plus 1. What is there in the I plus 1? That is one index. What is the value you are giving to ARR? And what is there in the what is there? You are doing the normal swapping that you are. What is there in the zeroth index that you are giving to text? So just swap each other and you are giving like that. So it is swapped. So now you have to do one more thing here. That is you have to say that you had did the swap. So you make the swap as true. You make the swap as true. Here, one more thing, right? So that thing you have done. Now you have to get out of what? What get out of your if condition, get out of the loop also. You have to get out. Now you have to say that if you didn't swapped, means if your swapped is false. Not swapped means swapped is false. Then you have to break. If you didn't swap, you have to break. That's it you are telling. Right? So that's enough. So that is enough. When you do this, you should get this. You should get your sorted array. So let's do and see that. Okay. So how we get this sorted array. So once I get this, I'll explain you how you're getting the value. Okay. So I'm going to run this right now. So first I will save this. I'm going to save this. This is Python ideally, so I have to save it right before getting into the execution. I use bubble sort and I said save. Okay, so done. So saving is done. Now I'll go and say run. Okay, so this is my unsorted list. I should get the sorted list like that. I say go run. So there is something which is there. I have defined that I have to say it as false as F capital letter. Okay, so that is why it is giving you the error. So here the false is F. Again, you go here, run. So you can see, guys, I had unsorted, I had given, and that I got the sorted here. So if you, I'll explain you guys little bit for you. So how it is working, right? Okay. So let's take another notepad and I'll explain you guys how this is working. Okay. Now, my arrays. Let's go to our array, right? So my array is, what is my array? 39 and 12 and 18 and 85 and 72, 10, 2, 10, 2, 80. So this is my array, okay? So how do it is swapping? So let's see that, okay? What does it do? How swapping? You are passing the array and it is capturing. So you are saying length of ARR. Length of ARR is how many elements you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you have, if you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So total length is 8, okay? So total length is 8, but you are coming from, this index is starting from 0, right? So 0, 1, here it is 2, here it is 3, here it is 3, here it is 4, here it is 5, here it is 6, here it is 7. You can see that since it starts from 0, it stands up to 7. So you need to minus 1, right? So that is why I said ARR of minus 1. ARR of minus 1. Then it will stand on the 7, the last one. Okay. And it has to rotate. So what is this 0 means? It has to rotate till up to 0. This, so from here it has to come back and it has to not come back from 7. It has to rotate up to 0. It has to come, right? So when you reach the 0, it has to stop. Okay. That's what it's saying. So again, we say minus 1, decrement 1, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. I like that. You have to go, right? Now what I told is it is bringing the range, right? So I had bring the range. So it start from where? It has to start from the this one, 7, right? So it is swapped and you are getting the 7 over here. Range of n is 7. So you are getting the 7 over here. And then you are picking up the element. So 7 means, when you say a range of 7 means it start from 0 to 7, like this, okay? So you are getting, it start from 0 to 7. So you are getting the first index as 0, ARR of 0. ARR of 0, ARR of 0 is greater than ARR of I plus 1, that is 1, right? So you are picking the first element, that is 39. 39 greater than 12. Yes, obviously it is greater than, right? So if ARR of, we said 0, 0, no, I plus 1 is 0 plus 1 greater. Then what we have to do? We have to swap it, right? So swapping means we have to change the position. So how do we change the position? You have to give 12 here, you have to put the 39 here, and then the remaining will go like that. 18, 85, 72, then again 10, again 2, again 80. Like this you have to go ahead, right? You swapped, right? Now again this loop will go. This loop, inner loop, I said the inner loop. I in range, right? So we standard at 0 only. So now again we have to go with ARR of 1. ARR of 1 greater than ARR of 1 plus 1, that is 2. So you are in 1 and 2. So what is 1 and 2? So 0, 1. So 1 means 39, right? So you are bringing, what is that you are bringing? Again, next one, right? So you have to again swap. So like that, you have to keep swapping. You have to go that. And when you swap, finally, you will be getting this 2, 10, 12, 18, 18, 39, 72, 85, like that. So this is called the bubble sort. So bubble sort, you need to know that this is how the bubble sort you have to do that. Okay. So here we are coming to the point called ARR. Here you have to see that range of n. So that range of n, it keeps on doing, and then again it is going inner, and then like that you are swapping. And finally, when it is not swapping, it is breaking. So that is how you are getting the unsorted list. So I hope you guys understood. So if you have any doubts or anything, you can write it in the comment section. So I'll clear it for you guys. Thank you. We'll come with the next one. Please do like and subscribe. So we will bring all the sortings for you. So if you have any other thing you wanted, you can put it in the comment section. So please put a like and subscribe the channel, and we will bring more and more programs to you. Thank you so much. Thank you.